In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cookies on your mobile and Google Chrome. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is go ahead and open up your Google Chrome app, and then once you've done that, all you need to simply do is click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then once you've done that, as you can see, there's an option there for history. Go ahead and select that. And then once you've come to your history, what you need to go ahead and do is simply click on clear browsing data. And then as you can see, you can go ahead and you can individually delete your browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. So if you want to go ahead and clear your cookies and site data, you can just go ahead and uncheck these if you would like, but you can do it all at once. So all you need to go ahead and do is simply click on clear data. And then what that will do is it will go ahead and bring up this here, and then go ahead and click on clear to go ahead and confirm it. Then as you can see, my history and my cookies have now been deleted from Google Chrome. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.